Let's talk cleaning. So always understand the IP rating of your vehicle before you clean it. In this case, on the Ninebot Max, there is a little label here, and the IP rating is IP67. That means that it can get wet, but only splashes. Shouldn't be submerging this in any sort of water. Always make sure that your charging port is completely closed. Do not get any water in there. Make sure that all your wires, there's no frays or cuts anywhere. And today what I'm going to be using is wheel cleaner, because I have it. You don't have to use this. And a bucket of water, a little bit of dish soap in there to help degrease, a cloth and a brush to get those stubborn stains off. Let's get started. And here we are 10 minutes later. Nice and clean. The trick is not to coat it in too much water, just enough to give it a clean. It's never going to be perfect, but you don't want to get any water within the wires, in the lights, in the charging port. I did run a damp cloth over it, but it should be fine. I've never had an issue before. And you do not want to get any water within the bearings, because it will start creating issues like I've mentioned in my previous videos. And that's how you clean a scooter.